just added the thicker foams in these Rock Beasts, and just wondering on the performance. And so far, yeah, I've been really surprised. Obviously, like, the flatter they are, kind of the better. But I just think that it looks so gross half the times when it's like you're driving around with a flat tire. Let's see if I can get up here. It'll take a while. It's just up here. I don't know how I did it. But here's one of my tests I could easily make up with the original Rock Beast foam, which were just like flat. And so yeah, I was quite surprised to see them crawl right up here as well. That's bad. We're just a slightly above freezing, maybe a couple degrees. We got snow, wet, cold. So yeah, it's still climbing pretty well, even with the thicker foams. So yeah, I just thought I'd share with that. Pretty amazing tires, these Rock Beasts. Would love a pair of the XLs. I think that would be fantastic. So yeah, foam's working pretty well. The extra little added information, I guess that mine, see, I got half the interior, so he's sitting in there properly, probably cut off at maybe the ankles or something, from an old New Bright Jeep body. So the rig is weighing around 8.5 pounds, a little more. This might be a little less because these rims were slightly lighter than the last pair I had, unfortunately. So yeah, with a little more weight, maybe the rig is taking the foams pretty well. So pretty happy with them so far. Love the tires, and with the little thicker foams, the truck's not looking so flat. So really appreciate that. So looking forward this winter to trying the maybe more. I think the Blazer body would just stand out beautifully in the snow. With a little bigger tires, Super Swamper XL, so that should be fun in the snow. Alright, thanks guys.